Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick show you or explain to you what exactly is happening whenever you get a mosquito control application. What is that doing? What are these service companies that do a mosquito control doing for you? I've already explained that in numerous other videos that you've got to eliminate the breeding grounds for mosquitoes on your property, and that's on you, the homeowner, to make sure that they're not breeding on your property. Well, the next step is to eliminate their resting grounds, and that's what these applications are doing. When you see the guys out there with the backpack sprayer on and they're fogging shrubs and the eaves of the house, they're eliminating the resting ground for mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are most active, as you probably know, in the morning or in the evening. Well, during the day they find places to rest, places that are a little bit cooler, and that's going to be in your shrubs, underneath the leaves of your shrubs, in trees, the eaves of your house. They don't really go very high up, maybe 8 to 12 feet is probably the max, but they're finding places to rest. And whenever you do these applications, you're killing any mosquitoes that are resting there, and these applications also have a residual of about 30 days that's going to kill any other mosquitoes that come on your property and try to rest in those areas. So again, the first step is eliminating those breeding grounds, but after that, if you can get these applications done and get these resting grounds treated as well, that's going to really help reduce the amount of mosquitoes that are on your property, and thus eliminating that issue for you. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.